Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a credit note in Tally ERP 9. First, you need to enable the credit note feature. From the gateway of Tally, press F11 for company features, then select accounting features. Here, set the option Use debit and credit notes to yes. Also, ensure record credit notes in invoice mode is set to yes for detailed entries. Save these changes to proceed. Now that the feature is enabled, let's open the credit note voucher. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Accounting Vouchers. Once there, you can simply press the keyboard shortcut Control plus F8 to directly open the credit note voucher. You can also find a dedicated credit note button on the right-hand side button bar to click. With the credit note voucher open, it's time to enter the transaction details. First, input the original sales invoice number and its date. Next, select the party's ledger account, which is your customer. Then, choose the appropriate sales ledger and enter the specific items or services being returned, along with their quantities and rates. Finally, add a clear narration explaining the reason for issuing this credit note. After entering all the necessary details, accept the voucher to save your credit note. You can then view this credit note in the daybook or the credit note register to verify the entry. It's good practice to print a copy for your physical records. This credit note will effectively reduce the outstanding balance of the party, ensuring your accounts are accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.